back-to-back messages today. And here's another question. So I'm just going to make a couple-minute video about what I do to recruit and earn money using Facebook. Okay, I post a lot on Facebook just for fun. Okay, if I have a Hot Wheel or a Lego kit, or maybe there's a muscle car or just something funny, or I made the best burrito with triple cheese and cool hot sauce, I'll take a picture of it and put it online. And I know how crazy it is to post food, and everybody posts a bunch of crazy stuff on Facebook. But normally when we post, it's for free. Okay, you don't really get paid. And if you want to promote something with Facebook ads, you got to give them a pile of money and hope that your ads, generate income, that's for sure. But how cool is it if you just post with a purpose, have fun, be entertaining, screw off, just have a good time, and get paid a substantial amount? Okay, I have 4 incomes by posting just with Facebook. Okay, I'm talking money that you can buy a new house with. I'm not talking pay your cell phone bill with. I'm talking go buy a brand new car. All right, $600 a month payment. All right, $300 a month on gas, let's say, and let's just say $50 a month for insurance. All right, let's just say you have an extra $1,000 a month. Go buy yourself a badass car, something that doesn't break down, something that has a warranty. If something happens, it can be covered by the factory, and not you coming up with $4,000 to rebuild the engine, or an oil leak, or doesn't pass emissions. It's a nightmare when you rely on driving. But when you can post and have fun and screw off on Facebook and make money to where you can afford a house payment of, let's say, $4,000 a month. Can you do it? I think so. I can easily do it with my Facebook program here. $1,000 a week, $4,000 a month. Yeah, definitely. It also produces that extra $1,000 for a new car. It also produces another $1,000 a month that I can go buy. Let's just say a hot tub. I put $1,000 down for a hot tub. I can have it paid off. If it's a $5,000 hot tub, I can literally pay that off in 2 months. And it's just by having fun and screwing off on Facebook. You're doing it anyway. Why not, call me crazy, earn money? All right, Facebook does. There's no reason why you shouldn't either. They're using, obviously, your pictures and your content. And if it's entertaining, the more people you have that watch your content, good. Guess what Facebook does? Goes through their Facebook profile, and there's pictures and ads and things that might be entertaining for those friends and you as well. Okay, post with a purpose, guys. If you're on Facebook, come on now. Let's get some money coming in. All right, you're going to go to pleasewatchvideo.com. That's all you got to do. Watch a video. I'll even show you the page. This is what it looks like. That's all you got to do. All right, you got $49. Come aboard, guys. I'm going to show you life-changing income. I'm not boasting. I'm not faking to make it. It's just good old-fashioned posting, having fun. And if you're entertaining, or you're compelling, or if people want to go ahead and watch little videos, because that's all you're doing at the end of the day, you're going to invite people to basically watch a video like this one. Done. There's nothing else to do. Once you set up this opportunity, guys, you are done. Okay. I wish I could say that there's more for you to do, but video is pretty much how all training and recruiting is going to take place. If you want to go ahead and run around and hand out business cards or talk to people, you can. But in 2024, no one wants to do that. Come on. Nobody wants to do that. So anyway, pleasewatchvideo.com. You guys, it's an entertaining video. And please get a hold of me if you have questions. I'm not shy. I'll talk to you. Phone, text, give me an inbox message on Facebook. I don't care. Okay? But just watch that video and you'll see how I make money. Okay? Have a good day, guys, and thanks for the question. Okay? Talk to you later. Bye.